Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to log out of your eToro account on your eToro mobile app. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your eToro app. To begin, from the home page of eToro application, go and tap on the 3 bar at the top left hand corner. Right above Deposit Funds, you'll be able to see a button that says Log Out. Give it a tap, and there you'll be able to log out of your eToro application with just a simple tap. If you ever wish to log back into your account, you must know your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username or your email address in the first text box and type in your password on the next. Once entering your credentials, tap Sign In and you'll be able to get access back to your account right away. That is how you can easily log out of your eToro account on your eToro mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.